Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're using an account with sudo or admin, right, so commands that change the system will work. Once done, open the terminal application. Use Spotlight on Mac OS, the Start menu on Windows with WSL, or Control plus Alt plus T on Linux. Then set your working directory with CD to the folder you'll use. This avoids accidental file edits. Make sure to list files with ls or dir to confirm you're in the right place before running anything that modifies files. Now run the primary commands for your task. Update package lists and install needed tools so dependencies won't break later. Once installations finish, navigate and inspect files using ls, tree, cat, and less. Edit with nano or vim when required. If a background job misbehaves, check processes with psaux or top and kill by PID or control services with systemctl. While you work, use clear and history to keep your session tidy and repeat complex commands safely. Finish by verifying outcomes. Run any tests or health checks and inspect relevant logs to confirm success. Once satisfied, secure your session by exiting or closing the terminal and saving logs you might need later. If something goes wrong, read the error text carefully because it usually points to the cause, then check file permissions and ownership. Rerun the command with sudo only when necessary. If a service won't start, examine journoctl or service logs for the specific failure message to guide the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.